great.
That's Frosty 8415. Some of the modifications were done. First thing we did, I had a lot of extra parts laying around here, so ain't doing me a damn bit of good. I figured I'd let my buddy have them. We put the axle covers on the front and highway pegs, which just so happen to match, over there. Now these are the aggressors, so they have the little high, it's a little wider, and it's got an aggressive pattern on top, so your foot does not come off that motorcycle peg. And a lot of people don't know that those will fit. And they fit.
They obviously fit.
Fit well.
It looks good, man.
But
That's a
just
good look.
as a side note, yes, this little turd's going to get rid of that shifter linkage.
Yeah, that's ugly.
Oh.
Piece of steel.
Well, are you happy, camper?
I'm a real happy camper. You kidding?
All right. This is Frosty. I'm out.